Hey, honey. What are you doing?
Like always, I'm all about trying to recycle and even better upcycle. What do you see here? A bunch of bad junk wood, right?
Yep.
I see a bunch of awesome walls, possible floors, and places to put some beautiful plants indoors. See this piece?
Yeah.
You probably buy this piece somewhere for 10, 20 bucks. I
Wow.
have a bunch of them here. But actually, let me show you what I'm doing. We're creating something new.
Yeah?
Yeah. You see this right here? This
Yes?
here saved me like 4 or 5 grand. It's my own dock. So instead of buying one, I took a bunch of old pallets. My dad put them together. Now we have our own dock.
Wow.
You want to see more?
Yeah.
Check it out. Hope you can run. Check out what I'm about to show you. You ever heard of the White Lotus?
Yes.
This is White Lotus home, creating the organic White Lotus.
Let's
Check it
go.
out. Watch your step. See my beautiful greens?
Yeah.
I've had these here for almost 10 years. They were really, really tiny ones before. Now check out what we're doing. Let's see. We're gonna knock first because you never know. This is our showroom. All right? We took a room and check out what we're doing. ¿Se puede? Sí. Check it out. Look at that.
Wow.
How about this for upcycling?
Wow. That's
How
from
about
all the
that?
wood that was outside?
Yes. This
Wow.
is probably 2 or 3 pallets. We're gonna finish the wall, and we're gonna do a lot more.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yes. When you love Mother Nature, you'll naturally think of a lot of ways to do that. Eventually, here is gonna be full of plants. So stay tuned, come back, and never think that you have to throw things out. Always reconsider, reuse, recycle, but best of all, upcycle. WhiteLotusHome.com. See ya.
Bye.